going home. Welcome to NP Johnson's vlog, and this is Noya, and today we are here at Best Buy to buy a Roomba Vacuum. So say hi, honey.
Hello.
What we're gonna do here?
We're going to buy a robot vacuum.
A robot vacuum.
A robot vacuum.
Okay guys, we're gonna show it to you guys. I found there's a 249 here, iRobot Roomba. So we are going to buy this one. 249. So that I have help in cleaning. Okay. We'll buy this one, guys. Guys, we are going to pay that vacuum, and we're gonna get out. Guys, we got it, and we have the Roomba. Yeah, go down. Guys, yeah, I just bought this robot Roomba, guys, for cleaning, for my easier job. So we have this here. Number one, you need to plug in first, and then so this one here, the guide, I need to plug in, guys. So we'll find a plug in for this. So we are going to plug in this one. Just follow. There you go. You can see the light. So plug it in there. Position. Now it's plugged in, guys, this thing. So we are going to flip this and follow the number 2 procedure, guys. So it said that we'll just flip this thing. This one here. There you go. You got it. Pull it out. And I think we're done. And number 3 is we are going to position this and put in the okay, this is the okay, so this one will face here. Number 4, so it will charge for 3 hours of charge. Then I'm going to go to my app. Okay, we're going to upload the app. Okay, guys, it's charging now. For 3 hours. So what time now? Time now is 12:59. So 3 hours. We are done already for the number 4 step. See, it's charging. And now we are going to the number 5. Okay. So since I set up already, I cannot show you a while ago. I'm doing the setup of the phone, but it is just very easy. Just follow the procedure, guys. So it said here it's ready. Probably it's been more than 30 minutes already that I charged there. So we will try to start. Okay, I set up already the time. Every day they're going the NK Roomba will clean every time, every day. In 45 minutes. See, I need that to see how dirty it is. Yeah, it's going there. Oh wow. There you go. Good job, NK Robot. NK Roomba. Guys, the NK Roomba or the iRobot is done. I named that iRobot as NK Roomba. So, he's done his job and it's been 50 minutes. And then, he went home in there. So, okay guys. So, anyway, it's not the whole thing they get clean, but at least all a little dust got it. But of course, cleaning by human labor is still the best. But having an iRoomba is, or iRobot is good also because it can help a little bit, you know, all the dust that you cannot see, you know, you just let that running and running. So it's pretty much nice. So I'm good with that. At least I have help, you know. I'm tired of cleaning. And when I get home, at least I have some help. A little bit. But, of course, I'm still gonna clean the house. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Nelia. Bye-bye. At least all the dust a little bit. It's been clean a little bit. Okay.